The first computer used to be the size of an entire room. Then they were built to fit on your desk. The newest design is a portable device that sits on your lap, and today's laptops are made even smaller and more powerful than ever. And factory first, the technician manually assemble the top half of the laptop called the panel kit. Then they place protection film on the 15-inch LCD screen. Now the computer's brain, called the motherboard, begins as a printed circuit board. Its pattern of lines and pads copper is the wiring for the electronic components that will be soldered to the board. This machine places a stencil of the components layout onto the board and applies solder paste through the openings. A quality inspection camera photographs the solder paste and sends the image to a computer. The computer analyzing them, looking for any missing paste, misalignment or other mistake. If the board passes inspection, it passes through 15 robotic machines. After function testing and visualized inspections, the motherboard moves to the assembling line. Now they plug in the cable that will connect the LCD to the motherboard. Then they attach this antenna bottom cover to the screen and position the motherboard cable inside it. Now they insert the LCD screen into a frame with a web camera and microphone already embedded. They completed the panel kit by pressing in a thin metal frame around the screen. Next, they assemble the bottom half of the laptop. First, technician attaches the top cover to the panel kit, hinge and the touchpads. After inspection, a computer-guided router cuts out opening to the computer fans, which prevents the electronic from overheating. Now they place the motherboard into the top cover. Then they install the memory module. They connect a high-capacity battery to the motherboard. The last component is the keyboard, which fits into a rectangular opening in the top cover of the bottom half. Now a quality control team tests several others, including the LCD and keyboard's color displays.